How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 15. Some Pharisee people and law teachers come meet Jesus for Jerusalem, ask am,
why your disciples no dey obey our elders' tradition? Dem no dey wash their hand before dem chop.
Jesus come answer dem,
why una no dey obey God commandment? Na because una wan keep una tradition. God say, respect your papa and mama. Anybody wey curse him papa or mama, dem must kill am. But una say, if anybody tell him papa or mama, wetin I wan give you before, I don give am to God, then he no need to respect him papa again. Because of una tradition, una don make God word yeye. Una wey dey pretend. True, na una prophet Isaiah talk about when he say, these people dey praise me with their mouth, but their heart dey far from me, and the worship wey dem dey give me dey useless, because dem dey teach tradition wey human being get.
Then Jesus gather the people, come dey teach them.
Make una listen so that una go understand. No be wetin person chop dey make am dirty, but na wetin he talk from him mouth.
Then the disciples come meet am, say,
you know say the Pharisee people dey vex because of wetin you talk.
Jesus come answer,
any plant wey my papa for heaven no plant, dem go root am comot. Leave dem, dem be blind people wey dey show blind people road. If person wey blind dey show another blind person road, two of them go fall inside gutter.
But Peter tell Jesus,
tell us wetin you mean.
Jesus answer,
after everything wey I don talk so, una no still understand? Una no know say anything wey person chop enter belle, e go shit and come out? But the things wey dey come out from person mouth, dey come from him heart, and na these things dey make the person dirty. Na from person heart bad things dey come out, and these things dey make them kill, sleep with who dem no marry, thief, lie, and to judge person for him back. Na all these things dey make person dirty, no be because person chop with him hand wey he no wash.
After Jesus comot there, he come go Tyre and Sidon area. For there, one Canaan woman cry come meet am, say, oh God, David pikin, make you sorry for me. My daughter not well because him dey trouble am. But Jesus not talk, so him disciples come beg am,
Drive this woman comot for here, because he dey disturb us.
Jesus come tell the woman,
Na the sheep wey lost among Israel people, na him God send me come find.
the woman kneel down for him front, come dey beg am, say,
Oga, make you help me.
Jesus come tell am,
E no good to give dog the bread wey children suppose to chop.
Then the woman answer,
Yes, Oga, but the dog themselves, they chop the small bread wey dey fall from their oga table.
So Jesus tell am,
Madam, your faith big well. Make wetin you dey find reach your hand.
that same time the pikin come well. Jesus comot from there go Galilee waterside. Then he climb one mountain go Sidon. Many people come carry people wey no fit waka, blind, paralyzed, dumb, and others wey get different sickness come in front, and he heal all of them. The people come surprise well when dem see who no fit talk dey talk, who no fit waka dey waka, who blind before dey see now, and all of them come praise Israel people God. Jesus call him disciples, come tell them,
I dey sorry for these people, because they don dey here with me for 3 days, and they no get anything to chop. and not want make them go back with hunger, make them not go faint for road.
The disciples can't answer.
Are these people plenty so? Where we go fit get food wey go reach them chop for this desert?
Jesus can't ask them.
How many bread una get?
Them answer.
Na 7 and some small fish.
So Jesus tell the people make them sit down for ground. Can't take the 7 bread and the fish. After he don't thank God, he divide the bread give the disciples, make them share am for the people. The people chop come belle full, and the food wey remain full 7 baskets. The men wey chop na 4,000, even though dem no count women and children join them. After Jesus Christ don send the people go their house, he come enter boat go Magadan area.
How far now, my people? With time, we go know the truth, and the truth will set us free. Make una like this video, share am,